Content Gorilla AI review. Hey guys, this is Shayan from IncaAcademy.com and you are watching my Content Gorilla AI review. So in a nutshell, it's a first AI-based content producing software that goes live on the JVZoo platform on the 12th of April. And it's a cloud-based solution. That means you can make it work from wherever you wish to. Now, I have used this Content Gorilla AI. As you can see, I've got my own access to it. And I have listed out the major features of this platform. So let's discuss that. The first feature that it has is unlimited content creation by transcribing YouTube videos. Now, you can search for YouTube videos on any niche you want to, and then it goes ahead and transcribes those videos. Now, it doesn't stop there. I will come to every part. Just stay tuned to the end of this Content Gorilla AI review. Now, second point is that it gives you multi-language support, 105 to be exact. So you can penetrate whichever language you wish to, wherever your clients may be, you can do the job for them. That's a great thing to have. Then it introduces the AI writing feature. That's the best part of this software. What it does, that means you can insert any line that you wish to write content on. Say, for example, you are writing a content on cryptocurrency. So you write what is blockchain, and it goes ahead and describes what is blockchain in itself. So that's an amazing, powerful feature that it has. I'll show you, don't worry. Then it has got AI rewriting features, which is the paraphrasing feature and not the spinner. That means it's not a collection of synonyms for a single word. It's rather explaining the same thing in a different sort of sentences. So that's called paraphrasing, and that's another salient feature that it has. It also has inbuilt spinner. It has monetization because you can have text to hyperlink feature. Again, I'll show you everything, don't worry. Then it's 100% plagiarism free unique content that you are generating. Then you have scheduler for post and channels. You can publish directly to blogs, which I have already done. I'll show you that as well. You can syndicate it to multiple social media channels. That can be very useful for social media marketers. Then you can go ahead and have a one-click spelling and grammar correction for your entire article. You can also add punctuation and paragraphs, and it also adds images and videos. Plus, it goes ahead and checks the SEO score of the post. It also gives you suggestion in which you can make the SEO score better. All of that for a one-time price of $27 only. So that's quite amazing. And if you're really interested in Content Gorilla AI review, then please stay tuned till the end of this Content Gorilla AI review, because I will go through a full demo of Content Gorilla AI and I'll show you how exactly each of the things works. And I also do want to mention here one thing is that I have designed a special bonus package just for you. If you do decide to pick up Content Gorilla AI anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page. That should look like this. And in here, if you go down, you will have all the information about Content Gorilla AI. Every feature is written over here. You can go through that at your own time. I have already told you the features and I'll show you them in action as well. So I'm not going through it right now. Rather, I'm interested in showing you the kind of bonuses that I'm giving you. I'm giving you YouTube Video Ranker. That's my brand secret for ranking the videos on top of YouTube. Now, probably you have seen me rank on YouTube. That's why you are watching this video, right? So it works. The next one is a 4-in-1 traffic software that I'm giving you, which can help you to get traffic from untapped traffic sources. Then I'm giving you Newsmaker Pro. Now, this is again an autopilot solution. Then I have got you covered with high ticket siphon. I've got you covered with cloud content rewriter app, profit maximizers, instant traffic mastery. I have given you Blogger Pro Max, which actually allows you to do blogging at the highest level. Then I have also given you 100 internet marketing software with reseller rights as well, so that you can make more money out of it. Then I've given you 4-in-1 agency builder, which essentially serves the 4 most in-demand services, which is migration of website, SEO optimization, speed optimization, and backup and restore. Now, the software and the training all are provided in here. Then I've given you WP Affiliate Suite, which is a must for any affiliate marketer. Then there is Commission Shortcut. Then there is Take It Pro. Then there is Agency Business in a Box model. Then I've given you WP Funnel Builder, which builds funnels on WordPress. Then I've given you 57 done for you local business-based website templates. Then I'm giving you WP training kit, which consists of more than 100 plus screen recorded HD videos without face with PLR rights. That means you can monetize it in whatever way you wish to. Then I've given you WP Member Pro, I've given you Viral Vidly, I have given you Vidmazon, and all of these, even if you buy only the front end, which is going to cost you around 27 bucks. Now there are additional bonuses as well. It is a package of 16 software with reseller rights, but that will be available only if you pick up any of the upgrades. Now I'm not going through that. You can check my bonus page for the details of those software, and all of them are software, and all of them will come with reseller rights, with all the pages done for you, graphics done for you, everything is done for you, so that you can start reselling them as soon as you get your hands on it. So with that being said, that was it for my bonuses. Now it's time for us to actually see ContentGorilla AI in action. So let's jump inside of ContentGorilla AI and let me show you the power it has. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has, and I'll be also discussing the OTOs that you should and you should not invest in. So stay tuned till the end of this ContentGorilla AI review. Hey, so welcome to this ContentGorilla AI demo. And as you can see, I'm within the dashboard of ContentGorilla AI. So the first thing that you need to do is go over to your settings. And in here, you need to provide the YouTube API key. Now, what it does is that it fetches videos from YouTube via this API. So that's where it gets into use. Then you can go for the default choices like the language option, the region code, the auto images, auto punctuate. I would suggest you turn everything on so that the AI gets facilitated, right? And once this is done, you can again go back to the dashboard. And if you already have a site that is a WordPress site, what you can do is that you can just click on this download plugin. It will download the plugin. And then you need to go over to your WordPress site. Let me show you my site. As you can see, this is my ContentGorilla demo site that I have created. And as you can see here, it fetches content from the software. So that's how I've integrated it. In the similar way, you can integrate it as well. You just need to install the plugin over here, and then you need to go back to your ContentGorilla. And from here, you can go over to your sites. And in here, you can see I have added my site over here. So in order to add your website, you just click on Add Website. And in here, you need to give the website title, the URL, the username, and password. And that's it. But remember, you need to download and install the plugin first before doing this. So now that you have your ContentGorilla AI and you have your website connected with it, now the real thing happens. So let's go back to the dashboard. And in here, let us search for any kind of videos that you wish to, say, make money from home, right? And click on search. Now, before that, you can also change the license to Creative Commons if you wish to. So just click on search. And you can see it has brought in some videos over here. So you can just go ahead and select any one of them. Say, I like this one. Then if I click on create post, I hope this is visible now. So if I click on create post, what it will do is that it will create this transcription. And as you saw, it is lightning fast, right? So as soon as I clicked on it, it has created. Now in here, I want to show you a few things. Like first thing, you can select the language, whatever language you wish to, you can just translate it into that language. That's the first feature that it has, the multi-language one that I told you, right? Then in here, you can find many tabs are there, right? I'll go to them one by one. First of all, it's the content tab, as you can see. And in the content tab, I have got post title. Now, this is the same as the title that was in there on the YouTube video. Then you can also go ahead and have a keyword settings. In the keyword settings, you can set the keywords to be bold, italic, or you can underline it as well. You can even find and replace keywords, which is very, very good feature to have. That means you can control the keyword density with this. This is very important in SEO terms, right? Then you can see it has already transcribed everything. So that's quite cool. You can add punctuation to this and everything happens in autopilot. Just a couple of clicks here and there and everything would be already done for you. That's quite cool. Then you can also create paragraphs. Now, as you can see, it's already formatted. So I'm not doing that. Then if you go down here, you can find a correct grammar option. Now it can be hidden behind my camera, but here it is, the blue button, that is correct grammar. And if I click on that, it will again take a few seconds and it will correct the grammatical errors and spelling mistakes, which is another awesome, cool feature. Now, once this is done, once you have seen that this is formatted and this has got the correct punctuation and everything, let me show you the two real cool AI features that it has. First of them is paraphrasing. So let us take this paragraph, that is, you are free to use and profit from this platform. So for those who are just getting started, it will be a great way of boosting their income and support their family and even their lifestyle. So I can just click on this button, which is for paraphrase content, and let us wait for the magic. And you can see the paraphrasing has been done. So our platform is a great way for beginners to get started and boost their income. It helps support your family and lifestyle. So you can see the way it has reframed the content, really a remarkable one. So now is the time for us to check out the another feature that it has, that is the AI writing. So for that, just we need to write a sentence like how to rank your videos in YouTube, right? So let us suppose you want to write in this context. So you can just go ahead and highlight it like I have done, that is select it and click on this little icon over here, that is write content for me. Then you can choose it to be professional or casual, or you can choose it on the voice of any legendary person like Gary Vee or Tony Robbins or something like that, right? And then you can click on submit and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, it has picked a thing like there is no definitive answer to this question, since it will vary depending on what type of videos you have and what type of ranking you are hoping to achieve. However, some tips to rank your videos on YouTube is including high quality videos that are interesting to watch. Make sure that your videos are well produced and include good audio and graphics, and optimizing your videos for search engine optimization. So that is the kind of quality of writing that it produces. Now let us do another thing, that is how to rank your blogs on Google, right? And let's again search for this and let's hope that it again brings up something interesting. So here you are. There is no universal answer to this question, as the process of ranking a blog in Google will vary. However, a few tips that may help include researching the competition, creating high quality, engaging content that is specific to a topic or a keyword that you are targeting. Additionally, using Google AdWords and other advertising method can help you to boost your visibility and traffic to your blog. Quite amazing, right? A professional writer wouldn't write better, I can guarantee you that. So that is the kind of feature. Now you can use this kind of bullet points to write an entire blog. That's the kind of power it has. So that's quite amazing. However, I just want to mention here one thing, is that the number of AI words that you can write is a little limited. On the front end, you can write 100,000 words. That's it. But if you go for the pro, then there's an option of unlimited. We'll talk about that when we'll talk about the pricing. But remember, the content curation is unlimited on the front end. Only limitation is on this AI writing, not even the paraphrasing. You can go for unlimited paraphrasing as well. So everything else is unlimited. Just this feature has a limitation on the number of words. So that's about my reviews. They always cover everything, right? So that was it for the first tab that we have. In the second tab, we have keyword to auto hyperlink. Now, this is a great thing to have. This you can monetize it, like in Make Money Online, wherever it encounters Make Money, you can give your affiliate links. That's how you can monetize your blogs as well. Then you can go ahead to the featured image, and in here you can change this feature image. By default, it will be the one from the YouTube thumbnail, but if you wish to change it, you can do that as well. In the tags, it will automatically extract the tags that are there on the YouTube video. If you wish to add another tags, you can do that as well. Then going over to the SEO part. Now let me change my camera. So now I guess this is more visible, right? And in here, if we scroll down, we can see the get SEO review. If we click on that, you can see it's 42% optimized. So if we click on here, click how to improve, then you can see it has given the metrics on which we can get it sorted out. So that's an amazing tool to have, right? And then you can go for the syndication. That means if there are Facebook pages, the Twitter accounts that are associated with it, you can actually syndicate them as well. And then you can publish them to the website that are connected under a specific category. You can also decide to include the feature image, and you can also include the videos as well. So if we click on publish here, then it will go ahead and publish this content onto the blog that is connected. So let it get published. And there you are, it's published. So let's go over to my website. And in here, if we scroll down, here you are. So this is the exact thing that we had curated right now, and it has been published. So let's go for one of the automatically posted one. This one was posted automatically. So let's click on read more. Now this will actually open up the content, right? And in here, let me take a few lines from here and check the plagiarism, right? So let us check for this part. So let us go over to the plagiarism checker. And in here, let us paste the content over here. So let me paste it. Now, once this is done, let's go for the check plagiarism. So here you can see 391 words was taken and the plagiarism is 0% and 100% unique. So as I told you during the start that I'll show you everything in the demo. So this was one of the part, right? So it's a completely plagiarism free thing and it posts on autopilot. I've shown you how to give the money links as well. That is how to monetize this. So this was it for the short little demo. Now, a couple of things which I want to show you more is that in the contents, you can add images wherever you wish to. Like if I want to add image over here, I just click on add images. And in here, I can search for anything. And whichever image I like, I can just bring it on here like that, right? I can even spin the contents. That is another feature that it has. It's an inbuilt tool. You don't need any integration with any spinner. You don't need to provide any separate fees for this. Everything is inbuilt. So that's quite cool. Now, also, I want to show you a couple of more features that it has. So for that, let me go back. And in here, as you can see, you can go for bulk posts. That means you can post more than one post at a time using this feature. You can use the scheduler as well for future posts. That means you can schedule the contents. Then you have a channel scheduler in which if you wish to follow any channel, if you wish to pick up content from any channel on autopilot, as you can see, it's my channel which has been added. So it will fetch content from my channel itself. So you can also set up this sort of things. There's also an article rewriter. That is the spinner that I was talking about. In here, you can insert any text and then it will spin it for you built in. Again, a great thing to have. Now, let me change my camera position once. Okay, then you have this post later feature. You have this integration feature. In here, you can add your Facebook account, your Twitter account, anything that you wish to, right? So that's it about this ContentGorilla AI demo. And I really hope that you have enjoyed it a lot. And if you really wish to pick up ContentGorilla AI, then all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And if you like my bonuses and if you like ContentGorilla AI and if you wish to get all my bonuses for free of cost, then you have to scroll down until you find any of these red buttons over here, clicking on which you will go over to the ContentGorilla AI sales page, which should look like this. And in here, you can click on any of these buttons to get access to ContentGorilla AI along with all my bonuses thrown in absolutely for free of charge. Now, all my bonuses will be directly delivered inside your JVZoo account. If you have any issues in getting them, please write us an email on our email ID or on our Facebook page. The link to both of them would be down in the description link as well. Now, the front end is going to cost you $17 monthly or $27 one time. So definitely, I recommend you to pick up the one-time pricing option. The next upgrade that it has is the OTO 1, which is the ContentGorilla AI Unlimited. Now, what it does is that it limits the number of AI words that you can write. Now, it comes in a $197 per year plan or a $397 per year plan. So that will depend on the number of words that you can write. If you want to go for the unlimited one, you need to pay the $397 a year. The next upgrade that it has is the done for you blogs, in which the vendor team will set up 24 done for you niche blogs and it would cost you $97 one time. The next OTO that it has is the one that I love. That is the ContentGorilla AI agency, and it should cost you $147 to $197 one-time price. What it allows you is to resell the ContentGorilla AI, and you can price it to whatever you wish to. You are going to get 50 to 100 client accounts. You can manage those client accounts. You can even go for a monthly pricing because this creates unlimited blogs, right? So unlimited contents. That means you can charge your clients monthly as well. So I'd suggest you pick up the 100 client, and if you can even push it for a minimal pricing of $17 a month, then you can have the calculator out and you can see how much monthly income you can generate from it. So it's a good feature to have. The next one is the Content University. That is a 21-day plan to generate you a recurring income online, and it's going to cost you $37 one-time price. So if you wish to invest in that, you can do so. So my recommendation is that you should definitely pick up the front end at 27 bucks, unlimited contents with this kind of feature. It's an absolute no-brainer to pick. then you can consider the tier one, but it has pricing. So if you are okay with that, you can, because it's definitely a good one to invest. And I would definitely suggest you to pick up the agency one, because at that price, 100 accounts is quite a good thing to have. With that being said, it brings me to an end of this Content Gorilla AI review, and I really hope that you have enjoyed this Content Gorilla AI review. If you have, please help me with a like and let me know on the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of the Content Gorilla AI review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off is your good friend Shan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye bye.